Okay, today we're here at Sidecar Doughnuts and Coffee in the Rolling Hills Plaza, and we got some donuts on the recommendation of Romel and Chicky at the dialysis center where my husband goes to get dialysis. So we got Romel's favorite one, but they didn't have the one that Chicky wanted. So this one is the maple bacon. Lots of bacon on there. And I believe it's Vermont maple syrup in the, icing. And it's what do you call it? A yeast donut. So let me get a big bacon bite. Bacon's nice and crispy. Let's see. Yeah, you can taste the maple in the icing. There's so much bacon on here, though. The donut is nice and airy, nice and fluffy inside. There's a dog next to us now, barking his little head off. Yeah, if you like maple bacon, you'll love this. This is almost like a meal. You got your meat here, too. Meat, your bread. Chicky likes the blueberry donut, but they didn't have that today, so I got their signature Huckleberry Donut, which it's a cake donut, and it says it's chock full of fresh foraged huckleberries, and topped with a sweet huckleberry glaze. So you can see the little huckleberries on there. Looks like they're in the donut too. Yeah, there's like little pieces, I think, in the donut. The donut just tastes a little different than a regular cake donut. Oh, the inside of the donut's almost like a banana bread type of taste. It's, just doesn't taste like cake. It actually is a little sweet. So yeah, this one's good too. It's very pretty because it's purple. So I also got one of their coffees. This is a Vanilla Latte. So donuts go good with coffee, right? Donut all over my face. Okay, so let's try the next one. Okay, this one is the one of the two that they had in there that were kind of Girl Scout themed. They have a Thin Mint one, and then this is the Samoa version. And this one is it's a coconut cake donut, and it's topped with coconut glaze. That's the white part, and has house-made chocolate and caramel sauces. Oh, you can barely see the caramel. And then also toasted coconut. That's why the coconut's brown. So let's try this one out. This one does taste like a Samoa. You have to like coconut, though, obviously. If you don't like coconut, it's like filled with coconut. And everything has coconut in it. It's a little bit messy, too, because the little coconut pieces keep falling off. Yeah, if you like the Girl Scout Samoas, this one's really, really good. It's like a softer version because obviously the cookie on a Samoa is a little bit harder, crunchier, But yeah, it's really good. Let's see if yeah, I think there might be. I can't see any, but there might be extra coconut in the cake batter, so it's a little bit sweeter too, than a normal cake batter. Yeah, this one's a good one too. I like that. Let's go to the next donut. Okay, this one here is the Salted Malted Cookie Dough. And there's a little cookie dough, little tiny scoop of it on there. And this one, their description of it says Sidecar times salt and straw. So the salt and straws and also an like an ice cream place. So maybe that's what they're going for. It has chocolate chip cake donut. Oh yeah, there's chocolate chips on the bottom. You can kind of see them. Topped with vanilla glaze, malted cookie dough, and malted chocolate fudge and sea salt. So I don't know if I'll be able to get the cookie dough in the first bite. Lots of chocolate chips in there. I don't know if I've ever had a chocolate chip donut. The cookie dough is gooey. There's a little donut hole on the bottom. I don't know if that's so that maybe that's so that the cookie dough has a place to sit in the middle rather than just putting it on the side. Yeah, if you like chocolate, this one has a lot of chocolate chips. If you like the cookie dough is kind of gooey, but yeah, it's really good. This one, you need some coffee. Or maybe some milk. Yeah, this one's very rich. You got the donut itself, and then the cookie dough makes it even richer tasting. And all the chocolate chips in there. But this one's really good too. I like it. They're all very good. So if you want to come, this place is pretty new. I don't remember it. But it's here in the Rolling Hills Plaza, right across from the Bed Bath & Beyond and the Trader Joe's. So if you want to come here, it's on PCH and what's that? Crenshaw. So come and get one of these donuts and take a bite of this one. So I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.